Morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. The sentences are visible on the screen. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
these are a few questions that you have to solve. I'll give you 5 minutes, and after that I will send the answers. So first you have to solve these questions. So first sentence, change the voice. Change the voice. Father is reading newspaper. So this is a sentence of present continuous. So you know what to use in present continuous? Is, am, are plus being plus V3. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस में क्या लगता है? Is, am, are plus being plus V3. Father is reading newspaper. So in the present continuous, you have to use is, am, are plus being plus V3. Second question, people have elected him president. You have to do these, and after 5 minutes I will send the answers and you can check your answers. People have elected him president. People have elected him president. So third question, the second is a sentence of present perfect, and you know what to use in present perfect. Has, have plus been. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में क्या यूज करते हैं? हैज, हैव प्लस बीन. पीपल हैव इलेक्टेड हिम प्रेसिडेंट. देन थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज कोलंबस डिस्कवर्ड अमेरिका. Columbus discovered America. Simple past. So you know what to use in simple past? Was, were plus V3. In simple past, you
Ma'am,
use
last question is not clear.
which last? The principal will address.
Yes, ma'am.
अभी और है question. She will attend the meeting. She will attend the meeting. This is future. So what you will use in future? Shall, will plus be plus V3. Then again fifth, the principal will address the students. Shall, will plus be plus V3. The principal will address the students. Then sixth one, she has stitched the clothes. She has stitched the clothes. This is a sentence of present perfect. Present perfect. Has, have plus been. She has stitched the clothes. Has, have plus been. The principal will address the students. Then the seventh one is the peon is ringing the bell. The peon is ringing the bell. Then eighth तक है. The boy broke the glass. The boy broke the glass. simple past. So simple past you'll use was, were plus V3. The seventh, the peon is ringing the bell. This is present continuous. You have to use is, am, are plus being, being. She has stitched the clothes. The clothes has been stitched by her. She has stitched the clothes. The clothes has been stitched by her. All of you have done? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anyone who is still writing? अच्छा 2-3 और मिनट और दे देते हैं. Mute yourselves. All of you have done. Shall I send the answers? Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, complete.
कंप्लीट हो गया सबका? कोई लिख भी रहा है? Is anyone writing? Then you shall I send the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first answer is newspaper is being read by father. Present continuous, you use is plus being. Newspaper is being read by father. Then second sentence, it is present perfect, you use be double e and been. He has been elected president by the people. Pintu is present. Pintu,
Yes, ma'am.
अटेंडेंस ले लो और दोस्त लोग को
अभी
मोटिवेट
भाई-
किए क्लास करने के लिए.
यस मैम, प्रियांशु कर रहा है, विकास भी कर रहा है, हिमांशु भी कर रहा है मैम.
सब अटेंडेंस का रिकॉर्ड रखा जा रहा है और सीबीएसई का तुम लोग तो अपियरिंग कैंडिडेट्स हो. 75% attendance. CBSE has said that online class attendance will be considered as session attendance. So it is mandatory for you people to attend the class. Later on you will face problems. CBSE strict हो जाएगी. And it will demand the attendance, then you will face problems. So those
मैम
of
9D का अटेंडेंस है क्या?
हाँ
9D का अटेंडेंस.
9D.
यस मैम.
अटेंडेंस अब नहीं बनेगा.
कौन बोला अटेंडेंस नहीं बनेगा? अटेंडेंस क्यों नहीं? हर दिन.
मैम न्यूज़पेपर में मैम न्यूज आ रहा है.
अरे तुम न्यूज़पेपर का न्यूज़ पे मत जाओ. सब अभी सब प्रपोजल है, कुछ भी अभी इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं हुआ है. नहीं करोगे क्लास तो किसका नुकसान होगा? चलो, न्यूज़पेपर इज बीइंग read by father. He has been elected president by the people. Then America was discovered by Columbus. Third answer, America was discovered by Columbus. Uh, past tense था, फिर the meeting will be attended by her. Will be attended by her. Future will plus be. फिर students will be addressed by the principal. In future you use shall will plus be. Then the clothes has been stitched by her. She has stitched the clothes. The clothes has been stitched by her. The clothes has been stitched by her. Then seventh, the bell is being rung by the peon. The peon is ringing the bell. The bell is being rung by the peon. Then the glass was broken by the boy. The boy broke the glass. तो वो past का sentence था, तो उसका हो जाएगा was were plus V3. The glass was broken by the boy. So 8 sentences. All of you have checked your answers? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll proceed further. So sentences.
Yes, ma'am.
Sentences अब आगे. Now we will move to request advice order. Request advice order confined to subject. तो रिक्वेस्ट है या एडवाइस है या ऑर्डर है, तो इसमें लिख यू हैव टू राइट यू आर एडवाइज्ड, और इफ इट इज अ रिक्वेस्ट देन यू हैव टू यूज यू आर रिक्वेस्टेड. If it is a request, you can easily understand. If please is there in the sentence, then it is a request. Then order also, you are ordered. So first example, take exercise daily. तो इसमें मिस्टेक हो गया, यू आर एडवाइज्ड होना चाहिए, वो ठीक कर लो तुम लोग. सो यू लिखते समय मिस्टेक हो गया, इसमें एडवाइज्ड होना चाहिए. यू आर एडवाइज्ड टू टेक एक्सरसाइज डेली. टेक एक्सरसाइज डेली. यू आर एडवाइज्ड टू टेक exercise daily. Then please help me. Please help me. You are requested to help me. ये रिक्वेस्ट है, प्लीज हेल्प मी, तो इसमें you have to write you are requested to help me. Please help me. You are requested to help me. Then get out of my way. Get out of my way. You are ordered to get out of my way. So how to change commands and orders and request or advice? You know, if it is an advice, you are advised. If it is a request, you are requested. And if it is an order, then you are ordered. So it is clear to all of you? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
फिर देखो, ऑर्डर जो है वो एक और तरह से भी बन सकता है. ऑर्डर जो है टाइप 2, you can use let plus subject plus be plus v3. In this way also you can change the sentence which conveys an order. Like open the window. If you see the example, it will be clear. if you see the example, it will be very clear. Open the window. So how you will change this sentence? Let the window be opened. Open the window. Let the window be opened. As in the structure, first you will use let, then the subject, that is the window, then be, then opened. Let the window be opened. Then arrange the files. Arrange the files. How you will do it? Let the files be arranged. Let plus the subject plus be plus V3. Let plus subject plus be plus V3. So arrange the files. Let the files be arranged. So it is clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Questions beginning with models. Now if the question begins with models you have already studied. Use of can, could, shall, should, will, would. So these are all models. और अगर क्वेश्चन कोई मॉडल से स्टार्ट होगा तब कैसे उसको बनाना है? First you will use the same model verb plus subject plus be plus V3. So if the question is starting with model, how to change it? Model plus subject plus be plus V3. So here, as in the example, can you climb the tree? तो स्ट्रक्चर क्या है? सबसे पहले वही मॉडल यूज कर देना है जो है. तो कैन इज द मॉडल. हेलो, कैन यू hear me, all of you? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
कैन वैसे ही यूज करना है. फिर सब्जेक्ट. ऑल ऑफ यू म्यूट योरसेल्व्स. किसी का माइक जो है वो ऑन है. हुसैन अली म्यूट योरसेल्व्स. मोहम्मद हुसैन अली. So can you climb the tree? So according to the structure, what you'll use? Can plus the subject be climbed. ये ed जो है वो कट गया है, उसको लिख लो. Can the tree be climbed by you? bed होना चाहिए, ठीक है ना? CLIMBED, climbed. Can the tree be climbed by you? So first you will use can plus subject plus be plus V3. Can the tree be climbed by you? So it is clear to all of you? Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
ma'am.
मॉडल से अगर कोई क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट हो रहा है तो यू हैव टू यूज द सेम मॉडल वर्ब जिससे भी क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट हुआ प्लस द सब्जेक्ट प्लस बी प्लस V3. आई विल गिव वन मोर एग्जांपल टू बी क्लियर. देखो यहाँ विल यू क्लीन द रूम, तो सेम मॉडल वर्ब से क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करना है. विल, फिर प्लस सब्जेक्ट द रूम प्लस बी plus V3. So it is clear? Will the room be cleaned by you? ऑनलाइन क्लासेस बोरिंग है तुम लोगों के लिए? हाँ, हेलो. घर में बैठ नहीं? हाँ, अभी क्लासरूम तो कुछ
Yes,
देर के लिए
ma'am.
भूल ही जाओ. Will the room be cleaned by you? मॉडल वर्ब से क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट होगा तो ऐसे ही करना है. सबसे पहले शैल विल जो होगा वो यूज करना है, जो भी मॉडल है. plus उसके बाद subject, then you have to use be plus then you have to use V3. Will the room be cleaned by you? So it is clear how to change the questions beginning with modal verbs. You people are neglecting the English class, isn't it? English is not necessary. English is also equally necessary. If you, after you pass out your 10th examination, ESM marks are added to take admission anywhere. And so many times I have told you, English is important in any profession, but you are neglecting English. It is not fair. So, तो मॉडल से क्वेश्चन जो स्टार्ट हुआ वो समझ आ गया? हेलो हेलो
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
10G की कुछ गर्ल्स जो है वो एकदम क्लास नहीं अटेंड कर रही है। खुशबू है और भावना, लोग को तो नहीं देखते हैं कभी। ये खुशबू, भावना, शिखा, अच्छा भावना बोल रही हो? शिखा, अच्छा शिखा, ओके। ऐसे तुम्हारा नाम नहीं दिखता था आज, वो वेरी गुड।
सेटिंग में अपना नाम चेंज करना भूल गए।
अच्छा, हाँ नाम से ज्वाइन करो तो पता चलता है। अटेंडेंस का तो रिकॉर्ड हम रख ही रहे हैं। So, will you clean the room? Will the room be cleaned by you? Okay. Then, how to change questions beginning with do, does? Do, does से क्वेश्चन अगर स्टार्ट हुआ तो उसको कैसे चेंज करना है ना? So, you have to use is, am, are plus subject plus V3 plus object. Is, am, are plus subject plus V3 plus object. So, like, do you like ice cream? Question beginning with do. So, you'll use is because your subject will be ice cream and that is singular. Is ice cream, then like, V3 liked by you. So is it clear to all of you how to change? Do you like ice cream? So is ice cream liked by you? Clear hai? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So does he play cricket? एक और examples will make it very clear. That is why I have taken 2 examples. So does he play cricket? तो structure के अनुसार is, क्योंकि cricket जो है वो singular है, is cricket played by you. So you have to remember that for modal verbs, modal questions, you have to use the modal same question word and then subject plus be plus V3. तो मॉडल से क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट है तो you don't have to apply so much of brain. Same modal verb plus subject plus be plus V3. And if the question is beginning with do or does is a present verb. Do or does जो है वो present tense में use होता है, तो उसमें हम present tense का verb use करेंगे is, am, are, according to whatever it is. Ice cream liked by you? But does he play cricket? So is, then cricket played by you. Is, then cricket, that is our subject, then V3, then by plus the agent. So is do, does से question start होगा तो कैसे बनाना है ये समझ आ गया सबको? हेलो हेलो?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम। क्या हुआ, नींद आ रहा है? बारिश होना स्टार्ट हुआ तो बी एक्टिव। क्या 8D की भी बहुत ये 10D की भी बहुत सारी गर्ल्स लोग शायद क्लास नहीं कर रही है और बॉयज लोग भी। 10D मॉनिटर आयुष, हेलो हेलो हेलो, माय वॉइस इज ऑडिबल? हाँ, अभी मॉनिटर
ma'am.
किसको बनाया गया है 10D में? 10D
मैम बायोलॉजी का तो मैं ही हूँ।
मैम कोई नहीं है, कंफर्म कोई नहीं।
इंग्लिश के भी तुम ही बन जाओ। तुम्हारा तो तुम यू आर वेरी वेरी रेगुलर। एवरी डे आई थिंक यू हैव अटेंडेड माय क्लास। आयुष, you
Okay मैम।
give me a list of students who are not attending. अमन ने
Okay,
एक दो
ma'am.
बार दिया था, मैंने फोन भी किया एक दो पेरेंट्स को। And you must be talking with your friends. You tell them to attend the classes regularly. हाँ,
यस मैम, बोल रहे हैं मैम। हम आज का अटेंडेंस बना लिए हम।
बना लिए हो ना? ठीक है, थैंक यू
यस
अमन।
मैम, 20 का।
हाँ, थैंक यू।
वेलकम मैम, रोज भेज देते हैं मैम आपको।
इतनी स्ट्रिक्ट क्लास टीचर है, फिर भी तुम लोग क्लास नहीं बहुत लोग अटेंड करते हो, क्यों? इंग्लिश क्या? आयुष तो करता है, अमन भी करता है। ये बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स जो है वो एकदम रेगुलर हैं और कुछ जो है वो बिल्कुल भी नहीं करते। हम निखिल निखिल, अच्छा निखिल भी रेगुलर है। सुशांत है? सुशांत ट्रेंडिंग बदमाश नहीं। एंटरटेनमेंट इस ऑनलाइन क्लास में कोई एंटरटेनमेंट नहीं हो रहा ना। स्क्रीन स्क्रिबल करने पे नाम आ जा रहा है, आवाज करने पे भी नाम आ जा। तो that is why. So do you like ice cream? Is ice cream liked by you? Does he play cricket? Is cricket played by you? So then we'll move further. Do they drink coffee? I'm giving you many examples so that it is clear to you. Do they drink coffee? Is coffee drunk? So in passive voice, you are using V3. And what is the V3 of drink? Is coffee drunk by them? Okay. Now it is clear how to change questions beginning with do, does, did. Hello. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं। Did. अब did जो है वो past का verb है, तो उसमें was word यूज करना है। स्ट्रक्चर वही है, जैसे हम डू डस में करते हैं वही पैटर्न फॉलो करना है। बस चेंज क्या है कि डिड से है तो was वर्ड यूज करना है, क्योंकि डिड पास्ट टेंस है तो was वर्ड का वर्ब से स्टार्ट करेंगे। एंड डू डस इज प्रेजेंट वर्ब, सो यू विल बिगिन विद इज एम आर। सो क्वेश्चंस बिगिनिंग विद डिड, you are using was word plus subject plus V3. So did they catch the robbers? So what you are using? Were the robbers caught by them? Did they catch the robbers? Were the robbers caught by them? Because did is past tense, so you'll use the verb of the past tense were, then the subject is the robbers, then V3 of catch, caught by them. It's clear how to change the questions beginning with did. Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Abhinav is there. Yesterday he had attended the class. So did you clean the room? One more example I'm giving. Did you clean the room? So again the same pattern. Was, because our subject is room, which is singular. Was the room cleaned by you? So now it is clear how to change questions beginning with do, does, and did. It's clear to you how to change questions beginning with do, does, did. So now I command, request, order. It's clear. In that you have to use you are ordered for order, you are requested for request, you are ordered for order, or you can change it in the other way also using let, like open the window, let the window be opened, clean the room, let the room be cleaned, carry the notebooks, let the notebooks be carried. So you can do it in two ways, order, either using you are ordered or using let. Then questions beginning with models, you have to use the same model word plus the subject plus be plus v3. जैसे कि will you arrange the table? Will the table be arranged by you? Shall you play cricket today? Shall cricket be played by you today? So modal verbs, you have to use the same modal verb plus be plus v3. Then questions beginning with do or does, you have to use is, am, are plus subject plus v3. Is, am, are plus subject plus v3. And questions beginning with did, you have to use was, were plus subject plus v3. So it's clear to you, all of you? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Command, command, order, request, advice, फिर do, does से, फिर did से और model से. इतना आज याद रखना है. And homework I will send on the snap homework and your class group. अभी 5 सेंटेंस लिख लो अभी. हेलो हेलो, कैन यू हियर मी? हेलो,
Yes, ma'am.
लिखो.
Yes.
First question you write. Does he drink milk every day? Hello, can you hear me? My voice
Yes,
is
ma'am.
audible. So first question is, does he drink milk every day? Then second question, did they complete the project? Did they complete? Did they complete the project? Okay. Then third question, arrange the files. Fourth question, help the poor. Help the poor. Now this is an advice, so you have to use you are advised. So please open the door. Will you will you lend your pen? Will you, yeah, will you lend some money? Will you lend some money? You know the meaning of lend? LEND, लैंड का मीनिंग पता है सबको? हेलो हेलो,
उधार मैम।
हाँ वेरी गुड पिंटू, वाह वोकैबुलरी अच्छा हुआ है। उधार देना।
थैंक यू मैम।
विल यू लैंड सम मनी? सो दिस इज योर होमवर्क। कुछ बच गया? डू डज डिड से हो गया। This is your homework. I'll send some more homework on WhatsApp group. अभी पहले ये बना लो। और ग्रामर कॉपी सब लोग मेंटेन करना। 3 टॉपिक्स पढ़ाई हुआ है। टेंस, मॉडल्स, सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट and this voice. This is the 4th grammar topic. हेलो।
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम।
सब लोग ग्रामर कॉपी मेंटेन कर रहे हो? नोट्स? कोई ग्रामर की बुक
यस
नहीं है?
मैम।
ग्रामर की
Yes,
कोई
ma'am,
बुक
बनाना
नहीं है? और ये राइटिंग में एक एनालिटिकल राइटिंग आया है, देखे हो सिलेबस? स्टोरी राइटिंग हट गया है, एनालिटिकल राइटिंग है। ग्राफ या पाई चार्ट या बार, ये लाइन ग्राफ से कोई भी चीज को इंटरप्रेट करना, उस पर रिपोर्ट लिखना। तो वो एक दिन तुम लोग को बताएंगे डिटेल में। ऐसे स्नैप होमवर्क ये व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे एक हम सैंपल भेज दिए थे कैसे लिखना है। डिड यू सी दैट?
मैम स्टोरी राइटिंग हट गया।
हाँ स्टोरी राइटिंग हट गया है, एनालिटिकल राइटिंग आ गया है उसके जगह 10 मार्क्स का।